It looks like a completely new truck.
What's up, guys? Super excited for today's video because we're going to start off our ownership of the 6-liter by doing something that a lot of y'all commented asking me to film. I think it's going to be a very satisfying video to watch, and I'm definitely going to enjoy doing it. As well, I think we have a name for this thing. I asked y'all on Instagram, and the very first comment to come in ended up being the most liked, and I'm on board with it. So I think we're going to be calling her Gamble. Kind of self-explanatory. 6-liter gamble. It's a gamble to buy a 6-liter. I ain't even mad about it. I think it fits perfect. So let's go ahead, check out the truck, see just how bad it currently is, and then we'll get started.
It's very obvious this thing has been extremely neglected in the wash department. It is just coated in pollen and grime and pine straw. It's literally got moss growing on it in certain spots. It's really bad. Tons of pine straw. Look at this. We got like oak moss.
That's nasty.
It's freaking rough. But I know it's gonna shine up like a freaking gem and be awesome. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's bad. Desperately needs cleaning. Didn't know. Heated seats. I don't know why they put the button down there.
There is a vape in here.
It's not mine. Here's all the products we're gonna be using today. It's a mixture of all kinds of brands, but pretty much covering all the bases.
Unfortunately, the roof is going to take a clay bar to get clean. And I thought I had one, but I don't, and I don't feel like going back into town. So I'm just doing a quick detail right now, just to put a little something on it since we did peel everything off with that dish liquid. And then another day I will clay bar it and wax it, and it will be done. But this looks like a whole new truck. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up. We'll check it out.
All right, guys, well, here she is. This thing turned out absolutely killer. It looks like a completely new truck. I am so stoked with it. We haven't even clay barred or waxed it yet. I'm gonna do that on another day. I don't know how y'all boys detail for a living. My arms are shot. Your boy is pooped. I had to do a lot of elbow grease on this thing to get a majority of that sap and tar and stuff off. The roof is still pretty bad. That's why I'm not gonna kill myself doing it. I'm gonna just wait and get the clay bar. I thought I had one, but I didn't. It definitely needs one, but even though we just, you know, scrubbed the crap out of it and then a detail spray on it, it turned out awesome. This thing is shining, boys. Looks so much better, and I am tickled with it. Got all that crap out of the bed, the moss. I gotta get this box out and clean it good. There's a ton of pine straw still stuck in behind. Got to get the stickers off, but we'll do all those in the following video where we got to go through some maintenance and, you know, really make it our own. Obviously, this is usually something we do in the initial things you got to do after buying a truck, but I knew I was going to have to put so much time into it that it needed to be its own video. And a ton of y'all have been requesting a detailed video, and I don't normally film them because it's already a royal pain in the butt to clean these things, much less film plus clean. And so I don't typically do it, but a lot of y'all have requested it, and this one was definitely a good case study for it. So I'm glad I did it. Tried to save the wheels. They've just got so much brake dust built up on them, but yeah, they're pretty much non-salvageable. They'll be up for sale at some point whenever we can find a setup for this thing, which I have in mind what I want. Just don't think I can spend the money on it right now. We got a lot of stuff coming. I honestly don't have the money for what I want right now. So yeah, we might have to, you know, pump the brakes on that, but I got in mind what I think would look super good. I ain't even showing y'all the interior. What am I doing? Shout out to Shorty for not doing that. I don't know who did that, but it's a pretty cool burnout. Dude, look at this thing. Cleaned up so freaking good. Went in, scrubbed the door jambs. They turned out really good. It was extremely dirty. There's still some junk in there, but overall cleaned up great using the brush. Got a lot of the dirt that was built up in this thing out, except the back seat. Didn't touch it because we got to fix the doors before I try crawling back in there. Dude, this is literally like a brand freaking new truck on the inside. Let's go over to the driver's side. I'm just so tickled with it. And the reception has been really good, which I was hoping for. It was either going to be really good or really bad. And so far, it's really good. A lot of people excited for Gamble. Yes, Gamble is the name. I love it. Gosh, dog. Man, I didn't even show the headliner. It's freaking perfect. Come on, Cinematic. What are you doing? This is like really the only wear item, which is that? Yeah, it's like the tan part worn off. Dash cleaned up, freaking amazing. Oh, I'm stoked with it. I am stoked. So hopefully y'all did enjoy this video doing a pretty in-depth detail on Gamble. I know you can go much heavier polishing and scrubbing the crap out of it more than I did, but for what it needed, it went a long freaking way, and I'm stoked with it. So with that said, be sure to subscribe if you're new. Leave a like if you enjoyed. Comment down below. Let me know. Hit that bell notification. And with that said, I'll see y'all in the next video. Dude, I am so ready to do an exhaust battle between this and the Duramax, because they both sound glorious, but Duramax might have its hands full. I already know it's like Mead's truck. It's got to be so much louder on the outside too.